There's my little sister's garden. Catnip, some tomatoes and chives. A few more tomatoes over here. Looks like maybe cilantro. And here's another section of my little sister's garden. There's some kind of, there we go. Sugar pie pumpkins. More sugar pie pumpkins. Long Island cheese, looks like it says. Another pumpkin. She wanted to have a pumpkin patch out here, and she put them in the boxes because of the critters that we have around here, which she calls rock chucks. And if I can get him to cooperate, there's one right there. Apparently there are a lot of them around here. So that could be a threat to the garden. Hopefully putting them in boxes will keep it from being a problem. And over here we have a couple more Long Island cheese pumpkins. And back over here looks like winter luxury squash. Says pink tomato, but that's not a tomato plant. It's another squash, it looks like. More winter luxury. More pink tomato. Some more sugar pie pumpkins. There is a Lady Bell sweet pepper. A warty goblin pumpkin. That's an interesting picture. Another couple more winter luxuries. And these are some watermelons for my youngest sister. She wanted some watermelons. Then we have some tomatoes over here. There's the Better Boy. Couple more Better Boys. Some more peppers, and these are Anaheim chilies for her husband. And over here up off the ground, a few more pink tomatoes. And some tomatillos. As you can see, the growing season is a bit farther behind what I'm used to down south. Finally, we have a few more tomatoes, which I don't see labels in all of them. But there's a Better Boy. These may all be Better Boys. And they all came from a nursery, I'll admit. We didn't start them from seeds. And some more tomatillos down here. Because we do like the green salsa. Oh, that's the largest part of her garden. So long as we can keep them rock chucks from getting into it. And he's still over there next to the fence waiting for me to leave. Okay, I'm watching you. You just stay out of the garden. Whoop. Apparently he's got a hole right there. And the robots. My brother loves building things. Yeah, brother-in-law loves building things. All kinds of different things. He actually does have a YouTube channel, but he hasn't posted anything to it in years. But he does make some unusual creations. Peach tree. Peaches all over it. And an apple tree with apples all over it. Another peach. Another small peach. Even that one's got a few fruit on it. And another peach. And I believe another peach. And of course, my sister was originally from Florida, so have to have the pink flamingos. And down on this end we have a cherry tree. a big cherry tree, and it is loaded with cherries. And finally, one more down here, and this one looks like a pear tree. Yeah, needs to be shortened a little bit, but got pears all over it too. So that's where I've been staying. Good to have family.